Hey guys, so I did mini twists on my hair earlier this week and I have really been enjoying them, but I decided to go a step further with my protective style and add some hair to them. For my spring twist, I use Melanin Hair Care products by NaturallyGG, and I really love this product. It's just so lightweight, natural, moisturizing, and elongating, so I really love it. Here are my mini twists. And my daughter was in the bathroom with me, so she wanted to come and say hi really quick. And so I got my hair from Amazon actually, and I just searched spring twist hair. This is what came in the mail. I was a little bit apprehensive about what the hair looked like at first. But it's Ombre 1B35, I believe, and I will link the hair that I got in the description box below. And so for each of my twists, I actually added one piece of the hair, which is already like pre-curled, pre-separated. And I just kind of stretched it a little bit, unraveled each of my mini twists one at a time. I had already done all the pre-work with my shampooing, conditioning, and parting of my mini twists. So to add the hair was really just seamless. And I started from the root. So here I'm just adding the hair in using the braiding method. So I'm actually just starting here and I'm going to braid about 3, 4, or 5 rows down. Probably closer to 5 rows down actually. And it really just depends on your hair texture, how well you think the added hair will stay in your hair. And my hair was pretty much stretched and blown out, so I wanted to make sure that the weave isn't going anywhere. So braid it down about 4 or 5 rows, and then I'm just twisting all the rest of the way down. My hair is really moisturized. I was very generous with the product that I used. I encourage you to be generous as well. Not only will this help protect your natural hair, but it will also help the hair that you're adding adhere to your natural hair curl pattern better. So especially on those ends. Hey hubby. So I've really been enjoying having my husband at home throughout the day. We've been able to get a whole lot done with our businesses. He is a self-employed attorney, and last month we officially launched our ultra premium wine brand Pure Noir. If you saw our last video on NaturallyGG, I talked about it there. But we sell 3 different wines. We have a white wine, a rosé, and a red blend. They're all very amazing. We sell them on our website, purenoirwines.com, and we ship them directly to your doorstep, and we're shipping to customers in 44 states throughout the nation. So it's very exciting. If you haven't had a chance to check out the website, make sure you head over and make sure you get your wines. They make great gifts as well. So here I am adding a little bit more product to the end of the twist. We want those ends to look moisturized and bounce back. I love the way this hair feels. It's just so springy and so soft. And to me, it looks like my natural hair. Aside from the color and, of course, like the density, you can just see how nicely it blends with my natural hair in the twist. So I'm going to show you guys again really quickly. I've taken one solid piece from the pack and it's already separated. Perfect little curl, and I kind of give it a little bit of a tug just to stretch it out a little bit. Not too much because you don't want it to be too frizzy. I found the centerpiece of the hair to work from, and I unravel my mini twist. And from that centerpiece on the hair, I just attach it to my natural hair, creating 3 separate pieces. I tautly braid down about 4 or 5 rows. And then I twist the rest of the way down. Always applying a little more product whenever I feel the hair is a little bit dry. and especially at the end of my natural hair as well. Bouncy twist, yay! So I'm just gonna finish these twists, and voila! Here is the final look. I have completed all of the twists throughout my hair, attaching this spring twist 1B30 hair to my mini twist that I had already done before starting this protective style. And it took me probably about 5 hours total. I kept stopping. I was watching movies. I was playing with my daughter. So it really wasn't bad at all. I did lots of the pre-work early on, and I love this style. So I will try to leave this in for at least 3 weeks. And follow me on Instagram to see how long I can actually keep it in. And I'll see y'all soon in the next video. Bye.